Yodify Tutorials presents Payment Accounts. From your Yodify Admin Portal, navigate to Payment Accounts. Discount levels. Adding a new discount level lets you set percentage discounts by brand. Payment accounts. Add an account, typically a business that has a pricing agreement. Set discount level and pricing terms for that account. Account members. Invite account members to a payment account to take advantage of those discounts and payment terms. Each step can easily be done by downloading and uploading a store spreadsheet as well.